Imagine having a cheap liquid in your home that can clean, disinfect, remove stains, freshen bad smell, and even help with gardening. Sounds like a fancy product, right? Well, it's probably already sitting in your cabinet right now. Today we are talking about hydrogen peroxide, a simple household item that many people only use for cuts and scraps. But this little bottle has far more uses than most people realize. Before we start, remember that hydrogen peroxide should always be used safely and according to the instruction on its label. Now let's discover 10 amazing uses of hydrogen peroxide that most people never think about. Number 10. Cleaning kitchen counters. Your kitchen counters came into contact with food every day. Teeny germs and bacteria can build up over time without you noticing. Hydrogen peroxide can be used as disinfectant for many hard surfaces. Simply spray a small amount on the counter, let it sit briefly and wipe it clean. Many people spend a lot of money on cleaning products while overlooking something inexpensive that can help keep surfaces clean. Number 9. Freshening cutting boards. Cutting boards are used for fruits, vegetable, meat and many other foods. Because of this, they can collect odors and bacteria. A little hydrogen peroxide on the surface of the cutting board can help clean and freshen it. This is especially useful for boards that have absorbed strong food smells. A clean cutting board not only smells better but can also help maintain a cleaner kitchen environment. Number 8. Removing stains. Stains are frustrating. Whether it's a small food spill or a mark on fabric, they often seem impossible to remove. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used as a stain removing ingredient. It can help lift certain stains and brighten fabrics. Many commercial stain remove contain ingredients that work in a similar way, yet people often forget that they may have already useful alternative at home. Number 7. Cleaning mirrors and glass. Have you ever cleaned a mirror only to see streaks everywhere afterward? Hydrogen peroxide can be used on mirrors and glass surfaces. When wiped properly, it can leave a clean finish. A sparkling mirror can make an entire room look cleaner and bright. Number 6. Deodorizing food containers. Plastic food containers sometimes keep unpleasant smells even after washing. Foods like onion, garlic and certain spices can leave odors that seem impossible to remove. Hydrogen peroxide can help freshen these containers and reduce lingering smells. Instead of throwing away a container because it smells bad, many people try cleaning it thoroughly first. Number 5. Cleaning toothbrush. Think about it. Your toothbrushes spend every day in bathroom environment where bacteria can exist. Some people soak toothbrushes in hydrogen peroxide to help sanitize them. While replacing toothbrushes regularly is still important, keeping them clean between uses can be helpful. Many people focus on cleaning their teeth but forgot to think about cleaning the tool they use every day. Number 4. Helping remove mold. Small spots of mold can appear in damp areas such as bathrooms. Hydrogen peroxide is often used to help clean mold from certain hard surfaces. Bathrooms are one of the most common places where moisture builds up, making regular cleaning important. A few minutes of maintenance today can prevent much bigger cleaning problems later. Number 3. Cleaning children's toys. Children touch everything. They play on the floor, outside and then immediately grab their favorite toys. Because toys are handled so often, keeping them clean is important. Hydrogen peroxide can be used on many hard plastic toys to help disinfect them. Many parents spend money on specialty cleaning products without realizing that simple household item can often be useful too. Number 2. Helping plants. This one surprised many people. Hydrogen peroxide contains oxygen and some gardeners use dilute hydrogen peroxide solution around plants. Many gardening enthusiasts believe that proper use can help a healthier environment for plant roots. While it isn't magical solution for every gardening problem, it's one of the hydrogen peroxide has become popular among home gardeners. Number 1. The ultimate household multi-tool. The biggest benefit of hydrogen peroxide is not just one use. It's the fact that one inexpensive bottle can be used for many different household tasks. Cleaning surfaces, freshening containers, removing certain stains, cleaning mirrors, helping maintain household hygiene, supporting gardening projects. That's a lot of value from a product that many people ignore. Think about how many specialized products people buy from a separate jobs. Sometimes a simple household item can perform several of those tasks. Hydrogen peroxide may not look exciting. It's just a clear liquid in a simple bottle. But hidden behind that ordinary appearance is one of the most versatile household products around. The next time you see hydrogen peroxide in your home, remember that it can do so much more than most people realize. Small household items often have hidden abilities and hydrogen peroxide is one of them. If you enjoyed learning these surprising uses, leave a comment with another common household item you'd like to explore, because sometimes the most useful thing in our homes are the ones we overlook every day.